breakdance footwork. What's up? So this is Donovan at BreakitDown, and I'm going to break down some footwork moves. So today we're going to do a basic footwork move. We're going to do this 3-step. So I prefer the 3-step over the 6-step when you first start breakdance because I couldn't learn how to do the 6-step for maybe like 5 years, and I couldn't breakdance for like a while. So I'm going to show you how to do the 3-step. So we're going to go down. We're going to do the 3-step, so it's so easy. It's 3 steps, and I chose this move because you can look like you know how to breakdance by just knowing this move. So here we go. Alright, so we got the right leg out, and we got your hand right here. So we're going to be in this neutral stance. I sit down like this usually. Hand out like this, right leg out. Then you kick the left leg right after. And then both hands go up opposite side on the left foot. And then you go out like this, push up position, then you kick inwards. So I'm going to do it again. Other view. Right foot out, left foot, both hands on the left side, push up position, then you kick in. So let's see what it looks like multiple times. So I'm going to show it one more time before I end this. Here we go. Right foot out, kick out the left, both hands on the left side, push up position, kick this right foot in, and there you go. So, this is Donovan at BreakitDown. I'm here Fridays at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below for any basic moves. Later.